Happy 1st of December. December is a very beautiful month that we know people go to their villages. People go to their, in Africa, we see most people, that's the time they go to their villages. People go to where they were being born. People visit their loved ones. People buy presents. People on that day, you cook beautiful food that you have never cooked before. You put on beautiful dresses. As little children, that was the only time our parents bought dresses for us. As a child growing up, my Christmas was the only time that my mom would buy me dresses. In my community was known that the only time you get new dresses and new shoes was on Christmas Day. So I was privileged to have Christmas dress. The day after Christmas, you come Boxing Day, and then you have New Year dress. You have shoe also. So on that day, on Christmas Day, you dress beautifully. You don't want nobody to see your dress before the day. So you dress beautifully, you hide your dress. Your mom will help you hide it. Because in Pidgin, you say, I don't want my clothes made sour. It means you don't want people to see it before that day. So you hide it. On that Christmas Day, you dress beautifully. Back then, when you're not doing our hair, we just shave low cut. So you go to the barber salon, they shave you that low hair, and they put line there, make your face be bright. So you go now, you put on your beautiful dress. You go to church with a new shoe. You go to church on that day in church. After church, you come back home. They are prepare rice and stew. That's the day that some people in my community, that was the only time they could prepare rice and stew with chicken, and they would drink juice, which is Fanta. That was the only time most of us were privileged. Most people around in my community, my age group, they were privileged at that time to even have such. So that's it. So everybody, now you come, you drink your drink, you put on your beautiful dress, then you eat, you take your friends, you have a couple of friends, you start going to people's house. Brother, happy Christmas. Sister, happy Christmas. You know what? You're not looking for money. You're looking for money, you don't want food. Most of they'll say they have prepared you food. They have prepared you. You say, Mommy, I don't want to eat. Oh, we want money. Say, Mommy, we don't want chop. We don't want food. We want money, because our stomach is full. We have eaten our own house now. So that day, my mother have this special chicken that she'll cook. Like the hen, she'll prepare it so nice that everybody will take one man. It was a special, and she prepared with jansa. That was a special. Her mark up to today, nobody can still cook that. My brother tried it, but he was unable to. It did not really come out the way my mother does it. I don't know how she did it, but she did it. So on that Christmas, that was the day she would prepare that special chicken. Obviously, there are other chickens like the agric fowls, you call it, which we came and met in the United States. We know that country fowls, they call those hen. That's the one she will prepare so nice with jansa. No sauce, it's just a little bit of sauce. It was very nice. And then everybody will have one, because I was the last. She give me like 2, even 3. Everybody will have one. It's very sweet. So we go out and start looking from house to house. That day, my friends and I will have money. Sometimes your dress come with this little pack, and you just put it there, and we just say, oh, Father. So Christmas was lovely. I used to say I enjoy my Christmas. I enjoy my childhood. In my teenager age, I don't have teenager age. I just become from a child to an adulthood because of too much responsibility. But I'm always grateful that I was able to enjoy my childhood a lot. I enjoy my childhood. So, and we do that. Christmas here, my children don't even enjoy Christmas. I tell them that we used to live in a very busy street. You just go and stand outside. Sometimes when you get older a little bit, we stop going to people's houses, because of course they're not really giving us money. So we stand by the street now. All the men were brothers, all the women were sisters. They became our sisters, they became our brothers on that day. We say, brother, happy Christmas. He's happy. No, brother. But we go and hold the person's body. The person will give us money, give us money. You have, after you retire, you go back home. And then sometime in the night time, we will take like something like a fake snake and put it on the road. People that are passing, you will just like it's a snake. They will jump and cry and shout and giggle and laugh and go away. Those were some fun that we do. Then in my community, in the night time, they have this small bar club in Moya, they call it Shrine Brat. That's the country house. There was a one man called, they called the house Country House. So of all ages, bars of all ages, night, small nightclub, they play music, children are dancing. You go from 6 to 10, from 10 to 15, from 15 to 20. The day was busy in that area. Everybody will go, you dance your own small one. At the end, you go back home, it's finished. The next day is Boxing Day. Where I used to live, the Cartier, they call it. The girls around there will follow them, will go to the market. You know, people have bought a house opposite the market. So they'll go and pick all those leftovers or with them also picking a pick. Oh, I don't know what picking, but I was just following the crowd. You go and pick all those things. Sometimes new things that people have forgotten because it was a beauty market. And then the next day after, or wait 1 week again, New Year, the same routine continue. So Christmas was very nice. I was born on Christmas Eve. I was born on the 25th. Actually, my birthday was being, my name, they call me, my stepmother gave my name that Marie. But in English, they call it Mary. So I did not even know that my name was Marie till I went to school. Was that Marie? At home, they call you Mary. So it's English, both French and English. So it's a very nice one. So Christmas is one of my best holidays. I really do like Christmas. So I always tell my kid that the only holiday they'll come to me, that one, they should have the boys to tell their wife and the girls to tell their husband that my mom, we're going to spend Christmas with my mom. Then New Year, they can go to their spouse own parents' house, but Christmas is for me. Nobody's taking that one from me. I told my children already. I keep telling them, please you're going to tell your husband, then my mom. You're going to tell your wife, that my mom. Christmas, you bring all your children and we spend Christmas. Christmas. I'm old, but I still like Christmas. Some people say they outgrown Christmas, but I don't outgrow Christmas. I try to make it special. I try to make something it's different for it. But as I start getting older, I try to give money to go to the orphanage. I try to give to somebody who don't have. I try to at least return. So happy December. I wish you want to wish you Merry Christmas and New Year in advance. Some people say they don't celebrate it because that was the day Jesus is not yet settled. I celebrate Christmas. It's just a holiday. So to me personally, I believe that salvation of miracle is a renewal of the mind. That's why we are Christian. It's a renewal of the mind. How do you live? Sometimes they say don't, but behind the scene, you're not living a right life that Jesus wants for you. So me in particular, don't. It's just a renewal of the mind to live like Christ life. How does he want you to live? How do you treat people? What do you do when nobody's watching? Our life is like Jesus Christ. So happy. I just want to wish you a blessing. Merry Xmas. Thank you.